Hello everybody, welcome back to Miriam K's channel. I'm here with Jujulina and Lanka, my babies.
Hello.
And today is our first day in Sri Lanka in Colombo. We actually arrived this morning. We're currently in a hotel now and we just had like about 4 hours sleep because we didn't sleep at all. So it's gonna be a very interesting day today. It's going to be our first impressions of Sri Lanka, our first day in Sri Lanka, and Novella is just trying to be loud and excited.
Rella's ready.
First impression, what do you think about the weather?
Big climate change.
We just literally came from UK where it was -1 to 28 degrees during the day. Oh my goodness. We're trying to find markets and we have no idea where they are. I reckon
Let's go that way.
probably straight, yeah? But we need to cross somehow.
Let's go this way.
How are you feeling?
A lot is happening right now.
I know, we're like in the middle of some busy ass road. We were stuck literally on a plane for 15 hours. Go to a hotel, had a nice sleep, and now we're out. And it's like so busy. People everywhere. Everybody's obviously staring at us. We have a baby as well, so she brings a lot of attention. So the first motive of today's adventure is actually to find markets with food, fresh fruit, mainly for the baby, but also for us. Literally we just went a wrong way, so we have to turn around and go in another way. So we finally found markets. We are just outside the markets right now. They're called Peta markets, and we're gonna go in, see how much we can find, what kind of fruits they have, what are the prices, because we literally don't know anything. We're just trying to learn about the prices and everything and what the prices should be like. So let's go. I didn't get that many stairs for a while actually, and Arella seems to be bringing hellos away every single time.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. As you can see. But so far, everybody's really nice. Do you agree?
Everybody, like literally everybody.
Josh, how many people have said hello to you today?
10,000.
10,000. Oh my gosh. So we just arrived back to a hotel. We got some bunch of fruits that we paid for. I don't even know how much. I'm pretty sure we probably got scammed and overpaid. But it is our first day, so we really don't know what we're doing. So we decided that we're going to regroup, discuss, and change a few things around here. So after our regrouping and Arella's nap, we are going to step outside to the world again. So we are currently looking for food, street food. We don't know where we're going here. We're just following this massive road, and that road is literally so busy. So where do we need to go, Josh?
That way, let's go this way. Okay, so around halfway now. It's around 5, 6 o'clock. We're looking for food, some dinner. We're quite hungry. We looked online. A lot has come up about this place called Galaface, which is on a beachfront. Probably a 40-minute walk from here. We're nearly there. Hopefully it produces some good food. Let's go.
So another thing that I actually wanted to point out while being in Sri Lanka for the first time is the air. It's kind of polluted compared to obviously where I'm from. It's not that bad, it's just that Josh has asthma, so we are slightly worried, but I'm sure he'll be fine. But stay strong, yeah? You're a survivor.
I'm a survivor.
And we need to do this trip properly. And the sun has literally gone down within 10 minutes and it's almost dark. And we are still going there to get some street food because we are super hungry. We had like no food whatsoever today apart from few fruits. And the footage of the first day ends here. So what actually happened yesterday, we got caught in a massive rain, so we couldn't actually get to the place we were originally going. We then decided to get a tuk-tuk, and we actually got scammed because one tuk-tuk took us to one place claiming there's food there. There was no food there. Then another tuk-tuk came by and he tried to take us to another place with food. There was no food there. At that point we were just so exhausted and tired, so we decided to just take a tuk-tuk home. And what happened was we just found a little place 10 minutes from a hotel. So that's how our night ended. So that was our first day in Sri Lanka, and that's all that happened on that day. I recorded just half of the day because first half of the day we were sleeping in a hotel because we arrived the same day, and the second half is what you already saw. And that's about it for this video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you soon.